I'm going to teach you how to make my Tres Hermanas spicy molcajete salsa. Tres Hermanas, three sisters. Jalapeño, the serrano, and the habanero are going to go into this salsa, as well as Roma tomatoes, tomatillos, some garlic, lime juice, purple onion, and some cilantro at the end. This is a perfect recipe for the family and friends who like heat. All right. In addition to that, it's great on nachos, on tacos, on enchiladas, on some carne asada, on camarones. It's a perfect salsa. You can just use a skillet to grill all of this goodness together, so we can put it in the molcajete and smash it up. Or if you have a comal, you can also use a comal. So either one, comal or a pan. I actually use a pan today. I have tomatoes and tomatillos that are gonna go in here. Might create quite a mess in my comal, so I'd rather do it in a skillet. But you can use either one. Probably more traditional is to use the comal. All right, let's get started. I hope you'll try our new Tres Hermanas Molcajete spicy salsa recipe. And as you can see, it's great to just serve your salsa right into your molcajete. I took a wood bowl, added some chips, yum, perfect for a party or a fiesta. I have one last tip to show you. Also, I want to introduce you to Sophia if you haven't seen her in my videos before. I have two dogs. This is Sophia. Simba was in earlier, but they're usually in my videos because they're in my kitchen, part of my family, and they love chips, so that's why they're here. They're not gonna get any of this spicy, hot salsa. But I wanna show you one last tip. When you make this salsa, because it is spicy, it is delicious, it's chunky, and you want a sauce for maybe some fish tacos or for some chicken tacos or just a creamy sauce, I have some crema, some Mexican crema. You can use sour cream in here as well. But all you do is add a little bit of your Tres Hermanas salsa, mix it up, and now a delicious, creamy, hot sauce for tacos and enchiladas. And you can just keep adding more. You can add as much or as little as you want. So this will turn down the heat quite a bit. So you might want to sample it, see where you want to get it. But again, perfect addition to have a creamy salsa. And a lot of people love their crema. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Tres Hermanas Molcajete spicy salsa. Please check out our other molcajete recipes or other Mexican food recipes. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you. Be well. Bye. Okay, I have to try this. It's hot. It's hot, it's tangy. I'm telling you, so delicious. Heat, heat, heat.